Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply enable push to talk in your settings in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to settings, and then you're gonna see like the audio here. That's like the last thing. Now here you're gonna see okay that we got master running sound effect, we got a voice chat, right? And what we're looking for is simple party voice activation mode, and you're gonna see like the push to talk or automatic, and you're gonna see like the current push to talk is key U or V. The team voice chat is V. So you just go to I don't know general or controls communication, and you just change the party voice push to talk right here, the letters, and this is pretty much it. The key binds, that's a better word. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes. So yeah, thank you very much, have a great day, and goodbye.